Oh boy. I don't know why I go just look you the laugh. Why? Eh? Sweet though. You sure say no be hunger will hook you. Talk true. Will make you open this your church business where you do. Because I know you well now. No be ante again. Eh?
David. I beg. Stop her. I talk and say, Bible talk and say, at the last day, the prophet shall be neglected by his own people. I know they're surprised. I'm not surprised.
We are what? Prophet just by own people. The other day when you did this house, they do that madman deliverance. What to make you the wrong? No, but you borrow leg, join this your leg, run. You know say God send you. Why? What to make you no deliver him?
Now me na they go see for this house abi. Make una no worry o, ema worry at all. Make una no worry. By the time I go command fire from heaven come down, consume person for this house. Now that time una go start to dey fear me. Wait. This wait for your mind sef. I go wait make that madman take me shine abi. Allah ma je.
Person don suffer for this life. Na me o. Na me you dey tell all these things for.
No worry at all. Shey na for this house all of us dey. Now for this house we go see. We go see when power jam power. The smallie power go bow. I bet you, I promise you say the smallie power go bow. I bet you don't forget say when two elephants dey fight, say na the grass dey suffer am. Na the grass dey suffer am. For your information, make I tell you, no be run around for that madman o. Na my brain I tell use escape the impending calamity wey for happen that day o, and na for your sake I take use my brain that day o. The day they talk say me they run for madman. Make I hear say I run for madman. I mean a madman for run for me.
Abeg, na people wey dey come here come do prayers, you go dey do all these things. So no be for me now. No be for David Abobi. No be for David Abobi now. Me run now. You don't know say I run.
Na you sabi wetin dey talk o. Na you sabi am. I no sabi wetin dey talk. Na you sabi o. Na you sabi. I don talk my own finish. Na that time you go say I go soon command fire. Come consume person for this house.
Abeg, you don dey talk. Make person here. Fireman.
Okay, that time go soon reach. You go soon reach. Don't worry.
Hey! Oh, Bim. Hello?
Ami, my love. My love, since you left here, can you just dey bite me anyhow? Can you just hook me?
Ha! Oh, Bim. It's a lie. I see, I don't believe you. Hey! Ekwatoramu, na lie. So you want tell me say no only me, now they climb the Jerusalem, Abi?
I suppose tell you say I don't believe you. So you mean I'm lying to you right now? You don't trust me. It's you, honey. It's you.
Hey, you sure? You sure, Bim? If you're not sure, tell me. You know, say that marriage now they went for this our village now. Me, I won't marry. My enter my house.
Hey, babes, take it easy. Of course, I'm coming down that village to show my swag. I'm coming to pay your dowry straight up. You know I love you so much. You don't have to doubt me.
Hey! Hey, Chai, Ovimu. Hey, Ovimu. Hey, Ezoku. Now if you say that God won't make you call me today. God won't make you hear this good news. What I won't tell you. Obim. Since when I leave that city, come back, I never keep foul. No, I never keep foul now. I never see my period now. Wait till they talk. So now God say make you call me today. Say go use that opportunity. Come pay my bride price. Hello? Oh, you dey hear me? Hey! Obim. So this boy come here say I don't carry belle. You don't enter. Now you can't cut call for my ear, B. Me, now you cut call for my ear. Go, because of those city girls. City girls, when no girl, they don't even know fashion. They don't even know fashion pass me and me for this village. Huh? But because yes, I don't carry belly, you don't enter. Now you can't cut for my ear. Me, cut call for my ear. They don't fashion pass me for this village. They don't know fashion pass me. Me. Hey! I go show you. Huh? Obim, Dave, I go show you for this village. Me. Now me, you won't do, Abi. I go show you now. Hey! Hey!
The way where money they take miss for house, I no too understand that. I no too understand them at all. I don't know whether a witch or wizard they can't collect money for that house. But if I eventually find out the person, if I ever enter my room, where me yanka, where wanted the person. So bad,
see, make I tell you, now our money, because my money is there involved. The other day no be Steve come dey complain say him money he dey not.
Take am easy dey talk na only me and you dey talk. Our money wait. Take am easy.
No first.
Cool down.
No first. The other day no be Dave come dey complain say him money dey miss too. That means everybody wey dey for the house na suspect. But I believe say there is solution to everything in life. Because spiritual problems you need spiritual solution and physical problems you need physical solution. But in summary, waiting at the top, we say the spiritual, now they control the physical. I don't talk my own finish.
No problem. I know what to do. So far say you don't reach spiritual and physical and every other thing problem. I know how to control the spiritual problem.
No go carry that thing where they do for village. So no go carry and constitute. Now city you do. I don't tell you.
Shut up. Eat your food.
Now you sabi you.
I will carry. I go see. I will carry him. Meat daddy.
Come over here for my meat food. How you want to come chop my meat? You know chop food, you want to come chop
meat?
Shut
up, not the clear meat daddy.
I used to have you.
Leno devu wokocha yanezi bahaya. Opurugo nyori. Oya kantutu.
Bros, I greet you.
Hey, Alpha, well done, man.
Yeah, well done.
If to say,
You know they go somewhere now for just help you arrange the car.
just an idea. I won't go buy fresh.
You don't show for our eyes now.
Wait.
Me,
give me your wallet.
Yeah, come here, lower.
Come on, give me your wallet, man. Yellow purple, what would you look for? What would you look for? Now they come for with Sanga, they operate cow one man alone. My tumbo this guy make it be like say. No, my free. Wait for my Sanga. This is Igbo Popo again. Make I see what you do after now.
For this game, they pay me. They was per my money court.
Why the money court?
They work 14 times. Just one game. Just one game. As me say one time. Go use my correct.
But if not be saying that they do anyhow for this country, we know for those they do.
I tell you, it don't make sense. I search up that 15 naira for pay this town red now.
Straight up now. Everywhere red now. Everywhere red. All that man, my guy, the be now.
Okay, now later now. Oh, this money I really need that. I say this money. People they see me, therefore they feel me. I don't understand. If I can't even carry the ball, they hold 200k now. They expect 50. Just that one game.
David Bobby. Now one there, you say that bad guy. Which kind of a band phone is this one? David Bobby.
Oh, Ibo Popo, fine boy.
Hey, Oga no vex, I don't know say na your house I dey make a
Plan for yourself. See I see how you just obtain that wallet for where they discuss about football. You dey sharp. Oh. Hey, come here. Abi, come on, sit down. Sit down. Oyibo Popo. The other day, I did for my joint where I did the bingolo. Come see you. You carry waiting the color water every activity to the clean windscreen. You dey turn windscreen cleaner. I even dey talk to myself, say see fine, but when they clean windscreen, I don't know, say you get a target for your mind. Before you go know, and so you take obtain that pathfinder. You know those I see you. I dey ask you today again.
na wrong identity, no be me.
Come on, shut up. You try to not be you. I'm not come here, I can kill you. You dey hear me so? Listen to me. Today again, I just did the monitor your movement. When I did that place, they discuss about football. You did that place, they talk, say, man, you do this, man, you do this. For you know what, we obtain the wallet from the guy. You did feel me so? Then a 2-count charge. And 2-count charge, you know what it matter for the matter. I know you come here, can kill you. I don't want to tumble you. You dey feel me so? But you know, say for this business, you get what they call insurance cover. You dey hear me? Me, as I come here so, now my insurance cover can collect. See am. I don't drop am. Bring what you get. We will share am together. I will see. Must chop. Now the wallet be this. Within the inside. Okay, you don't empty am. But this was when they here now, I just document it. What you get?
Get down! You dey crazy. You dey meta. You dey ever hear when Omila rob finish share money with another Omila? You dey mad. You never hear when person work for insurance company finish go collect money for CBN? I be want make I waste you.
No. Oyile, when I come here, come meet you. I don't come here say I won't come tumble your life or won't do anything. You dey hear me? I only come here to give me my own share. But now when you don't collect my props, now I have to maintain. You go promise me say if I come out for here, you go still leave my props for me.
God, shut down your mind, Chris. Oh yeah, empty yourself. Stand up, empty yourself. You can't blow your skull.
Wait,
your blood will splash for wall as I talk to you. So bring everything within your pocket.
I dey tell you, since I dey like this, so my pocket empty. If my pocket not empty, I'm not going to monitor you. They follow you, the wakana. I see they tell you say this my gun props where you hold so. They promised me, say, you go leave am for here for me. So that I go to waka. I go come back and collect her. Make it be like say we not see. We know they talk. Eh? And they go. I don't move. I move and they move so now.
Dave, you be bad guy. Picking pocket, you be hard guy. A push boy with the Jones anyhow. I see your white skin, you don't bleach you. You don't bath. Who you help? Push boy, sit down for there, Joe. One day when police go catch you, you go shout say, no be me.
Eye of the gods. I've won the nomination. That means I've won the primary. And I'm here to say a big thanks to you. And I promise that if I win the main election, I will buy you a befitting house. That's why I am here. It's a promise and I must keep to it.
House. Chief, you have done enough. My people and I are always happy whenever you come to our shrine. Akwimana ugobuzo ochake. Ukwali oge oda. Inwini go primaries. You are going to be an honorable member of the house. Hey! Go. It shall be well with you.
Say.
Dave, you be bad guy. Picking pocket, you be hard guy. A push boy with the Jones anyhow. I see your white skin, you don't bleach you. You don't bath. Who you help? Push boy, sit down for there, Joe. One day when police go catch you, you go shout say, no be me, you.
Davido! I know say money go was clear this room.
Come. Hey, make you come out from there now. Make you come out. Wait, now. Make you come out now. Make you come out your hand from there now.
Wait up.
I come inside though. I say he hand the day for there. They push am make he come out. They don't really come out though. I don't know what dey happen. Wow. Is it?
I don't fuck up. Do something.
You say you fuck up?
This time. This time I handle.
You want help me keep the money or waiting? Yeah?
I don't know. I don't know who the always scatter room. Enter room, comes in the room, scatter. I come pay better. We can arrange it.
Nah, room is the arranger.
Yes, so as I come to arrange the room, now I come see your money. I go say make I keep am well. Keep am well, but as I don't keep am well finish to come bring my hand, come be wahala.
No problem. I go when you keep am well for the gods. Finish. You want help the gods keep money for. Wait, make I talk. Now you keep money, they create. Now you keep the money. You want to help me keep the money for the gods. No problem. There you go. By the time where you don't keep money for them.
No. I don't keep am well.
No. By the time where you don't keep money for them for 6 months.
I beg. I'm to use a prayer now. Fire prayer. I believe say God power pass devil.
Make I tell you, Oyo is your case on this matter. You say you dey help and they arrange out. See everywhere you even scatter. Make I tell you, the Bible talk say, do not tempt the Lord your God. The Bible also talk say, a soul that sinneth, he must die. He that breaketh the edge, the serpent must bite. I no fit pray for you for this matter. I no fit pray for you.
Continue arranging the room.
Hey, he say make you dey arrange the room now. Make you dey arrange the room.
I don't arrange this now.
You never say anything though. Say you dey arrange the room. Keep on arranging.
You know what? Say the truth before the gods will kill you. He who thought the garment of honor wears the crown of disgrace. And you know a man can never run away from his brutals even if it was his behind you. Say the truth before you die now. Are you ready?
Make you talk now.
The thing be say. All of una know say na criminal I be. So the money na thief I want thief am. And no be the first time wey I dey thief.
Confess.
Man now.
Yeah, I know.
So I dey come tap your money. But I tap it, no. This one I won't carry all of them run.
So now money you take furnish that sitting room, even furnish
everywhere.
No.
If I like self, may God keep me for here. I'm personal hustling for streets as they be now.
Abuna no
motor.
Abuna no. Asinaburo ri kan ezu anyo.
Abeg.
Okay, chakwara agwo.
I dey talk true now. I thief person car.
Can you now tell us the truth of the money we take from this room?
Na if I dey talk
because
now.
Our money don dey miss. Our money don dey miss. Our money don dey miss when they furnish this room.
No, the money who I collect na Anto own.
Yeah. Hey, wait. Hey, now my money you come, now my money you take. They furnish the house.
Your money white up now Amaka. I send and give that away into abortion. I beg now. Almost I know they do normal life.
Hey, Kiri, wait. Now my money you take give Amaka make it go take do abortion. Hey, make you money. You Thunder go police you for here. Now my money you take there do all this thing. Thunder go police you. If Thunder no police you, no sir, no they serve a living God. Thunder go police you. Hey, wait. Hey, this boy, you don't give me today for this house. So I beg now.
So how you take manage? Arrange this room, buy all these things. If not our money.
The room?
Hey, make you talk now, make you talk.
The room na your money, money.
Including the sitting room.
Hey, no now, this sitting room na me hustle am. Na me hustle the sitting room, say make a surprise on that. No, they do like this now.
Carry on, go Hey, don't they call my name? Don't they call my name?
Yes.
I be your brother now.
Make it die.
No, make it leave. Make it leave.
I know they call my name. Don't they mention my name.
No, so my brother take die.
Hey,
my brother.
Hey,
when they steal money, you don't say, hey, your debt don't risk.
Okay, on one condition, which is, all the properties in this house. Yes. Kube, na wagi na genti, ndrunka. The three of us will share it.
Make you leave me.
Yes. The gods said I should tell you. The gods wants to save you.
God bless them. May the gods.
Are you ready for the condition?
Hey, anything.
Make me tell them. Hey, tell them what to be the condition.
Everything in this house, including the sitting room, we are the owner of it.
Hey, now, so get them before now. Get them.
Mbagariano. Teriano elanu mawa eriano. Akpanjento.
Make we release her. Make we release her. Yes. Hey, make we release her. Yes. You see, say in don't baff with in heat. Make we release her. Hey, make we release her. Eh? Make we release her.
Ding. You're free.
Hey, make you come up from there. Make you remove your hand from there. Hey, tomorrow, make you go steal again. Hey, come up for here. Hey, make I put my hand for there, collect the money. Hey, now your money, make you collect them. Hey, make you collect them now your money. Hey.
So you dey my info God.
Hey, I beg make you come out and we will come up for here.
Mawelano na banum nanum no no tremo kan Nigeria. Mawa katampo. My 200,000 naira. That is idiot wanted. Come, arrange this room as you talk. You, find what I give her. Make it go back. Now your brother.
Hey, see this one. Make you go arrange it for this one again. Send a room you dey arrange for. Now you can't steal money. Make you go arrange that one.
The thunder will go fire you.
Now the thunder now he fire you.
From Osogbo they come and if he meet you,
now Ijebo the thunder. Now he don't fire you finish. Now he make your hand go. Can't stay for there. Omila, only. Make you go put your hand again. Make it trap you for there.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a match of Joanna. I have to do my prophet. Oh, you want to go start up for my home. Oh, you want to. I have Those criminals that refuse to pay my rent. If you move, I move you. Hold them!
You go bring problem for your family. You go bring problem for your family. I'm gonna use it. Hey, make me the good. I'll be pastor. Nah, I go waste you. I take. Hey! Don't me this one. Leave me and make you calm down.
I'm a joy. What's happening here? Huh? Police! What are you doing there? Will you stand up and arrest him?
London, you can back go. You want to for one pound of burger.
What are you doing?
You want to get
the police, go and arrest him. Go and arrest him. Why you want to? Arrest him, come back and arrest him.
No, arrest us again.
Make you go. Make you go.
Police! Hey, you don't see the one way big party you. You don't
shut up!
Like this.
You see, because you so well. I will tell you that I have a bigger than this my village. Idiot.
Hey, no, be now.
Shut up, your mouth.
Why you worried? Make you stay.
Don't worry. I'll come back. I'll come back for you. I'll come back for you.
Okay, I don't know. You never go. Okay, you never go. I don't know. Hey! No. I am sad.
No, because they run. Because they walk like this. They walk like this one day.
I am Prophet. Do you want me to turn you to a lizard? If I turn up a lizard, I am with you. Now close it. No problem. You are very stupid. No problem. No problem. I am that you do. Now today I say I get up for power. I don't do the police. Oh yes, Abru, okay, man. You don't do the police. People don't go. May you go keep this thing. Make I go wrong. I mean, make I go bring my lunga and show myself. But they don't go now. Go keep my for backyard. Before they do it to you, tell them they don't say waka. Dave. Carry something. Go keep it. Don't they call my name to hold this thing for us. I beg. Go keep my for backyard. Dave, you be man like me. Goalkeeper. Make I go do it. You be man like me now. I beg, go keep something. I mean, go collect that for you. Go you don't know where my shrine is. Goalkeeper. Dave, goalkeeper. What's up? Dave. I took prophet. I took as I get up for power. Police I hold. Prophet. I call balance. Police I hold me for my waist. Walk out. I call the move. See my landlord. But today I don't say landlord. I get up for respect. I have to do. I enter for inside. I go outside. I display my silence. See my prophet. I don't get out. I have to do. What? Police, I kneel up for down like this. I raise up for hand. I step back, I stand up. I don't want to do. Go for the guests. I want to respect myself for eye of the God. I have to do. I get up for power. In fact, applause for me. I have to do.
I want anybody who I try to come. You don't like the gate. I don't like a wait. You don't talk too much here. No problem. I have to do my work. Make us see that useless. Now only me I get out. He is not going to collect any house rent from us again in this compound. On that pala, you judge. I have to shut up. Please, landlord. I said shut up. Landlord, and they owe me for 3 months. I never paid me. No problem. No problem. I have to.
Lekwaye boro weya dozie onyaru o werela koji na village bia na township bad blood nwa debia o ogwonsi iyo buli metara ige jeresi gi we buru ae oh
Look at him. Look at the idiots that use these diabolical powers on me on top of my money. My house is me. Huh? I want you to deal with him decisively, then arrest him and charge him for threat of life and also for using his charms on police officers.
The grace. Ring. I've been married, dial. Eh? You want text message?
Officer, ask him for my money.
My money. Where your house rent? I say, where your house rent?
Where is my house rent?
Money the house now. Which house do you have a money the house?
Stand up.
I won't come bring money.
Let him back. Stand up. I said, no, let all this nyama we put for. I go take. If I kick 10 now, but I stand up.
In my own house. Shrine in my house. Hey.
Where the money did?
Wait.
Go back. If you walk out, I will sound you again. Where did they go?
I don't want to go anywhere now.
Handcuff him.
If we reach,
bring him out.
And the money no dey ready, I will WhatsApp you. Did they hear me?
Yes, sir.
The waka.
Damage is head for me.
You
will not know. Waka. You will not know.
Waka is my name.
Boom. I said move. I will dial your number again. Move.
What is wrong with this house? So you cannot see road, make it pass. You can't throw away the apple way there on the road. What is this one talking about? Hey, you come up from there now.
I'm sorry, that won't happen again. Oh no, you don't have to worry.
Yeah. Doze, see ya. See ya, Doze. Wow. Doze, what is wrong with you? Yeah, I'm talking to you and you are keeping me quiet as if say, you follow go wrong, Biafran walk on, come back here, you can't tire. No be you are the follow they talk. Wetin dey worry you? Wetin dey do you?
Why I come to city, sir?
Why you come dey talk like that now?
I did for shrine. I come dey watch. You know landlord with him wahala. So I come to see say what landlord won't carry under wahala come. So as I dey talk to Ogugu, you know, they do one thing or the other. Make I put wahala between him and anybody when he won't carry come. I don't do finish, make I look up to the sun. Talk to the sun for that afternoon.
Na slap I collect. And the slap gets sound, you get soundtrack. Kidigbi.
Wait. Is it the landlord that slap you? I mean that the soldier wey follow a call that slap you? Which one?
Na soldier slap oh.
Wait.
Landlord carry soldier come. And the soldier throw the slap. Kick him. You know, Juju know they catch soldier so.
I want to know say Juju know they catch soldier. No me you be Juju master.
But you know my problem. I later pay the house rent.
See, don't tell me say after this slap, you can't still carry the rent, can't give them.
I don't blame you. I blame your papa. We leave our Igbo land. Carry Jonathan Why and bend the buy now, not why. You go femano. Leave here, go femano, go marry wife.
No be me. I thank God say.
Oh boy, I pay them. As I pay, they finish. As I still give the soldier man drink money.
It's not make you do soldier cause you do juju with slap. Thank God say I don't dey house that day. I don't dey for house. If I dey for house, if say na me dey slap this kind slap, I for don't die. Abeg, no offense.
You know my problem now. May you and David sit down. We go sit down, meet you. No, I'm not going to take balance with my money because I don't pour already.
Make I hear. Say refund you your money. Refund waiting. Now we tell you may you go give them money.
I no blame you because I know you the slap. But if I wait for this money today, tomorrow, even I no give me, I go divide the slap. The slap where they give me, I go divide them into 3 parts. I'll give you your own 60-something%. Now I will give you. Do I? You will collect them. And if you talk to me like that again, I will double the slap. Collect the food because I know that they never talk to me. I will join her. Give you. I don't blame you. I blame your papa. Your papa. We come here, go for money, Yoruba land, go marry woman, we born you, I know I had a guy. Soup on you.
Simon. Now for where I you can't take power. You can't see soldier man today, you know fit talk. Now he can't give you slap, you can't hear come on, sit down for there. Soldier slap you finish. Now me won't come carry and come give. Go invite all those ghosts where you the serve. May they help you do it. No they inform me for this matter again.
I dare now. You don't pray to women finish. One day you go pray to soldier picking. Daughter, touch and press, everything will kill you here. Chineke
apolo. Mommy, see, I might not be able to accompany you to the hospital like you insisted. Because of my busy schedule.
Busy what? Were you not busy when you were begging for it?
Yes, so that is why I'm still begging you. But you know, say, hey, I'm a prophet, and I'm a Jew, and I'm also.
And what? And what, Tony? Tell me, and what? Prophet. Prophet indeed. Is this how shameless you can be? Tell me. Look at you. Take a good look at yourself. You call yourself a prophet and look at what you mingle yourself with. So you've been sleeping with this little girl to the extent of getting her pregnant, right? You are so shameless. God is going to punish you.
Hold it right there. Please, I am not a small girl. If I am a small girl, why would he leave you for me? Begging me to satisfy him.
I have suffered. Did you hear what she said? She said you're practically begging her to sleep with her.
That she said you left me for her. Tony, how could you do this to me? Tony, how could you do this to me? Where have I wronged you? If I have not been satisfying you, why didn't you teach me how to do it with you? Why? Am I not good enough for you? How could you just rubbish me like this in the presence of this small girl? Tony. I'm finished. I'm finished. Tony, I will not cry. No. I won't cry for you. But you know what? I know how to deal with people like you. I will definitely deal with you. You will have me to contend with in this city. I am going to expose you. I am going to tell the whole world the kind of prophet that you are. I will tell the whole world that you have been sleeping with all the female members of your church. I will expose you. I will expose you. I will expose you.
I hear me. If this woman should expose me, I'm finished though. Hey, Reverend Anthony, there is fire on the mountain, no? Yeah, alone. God, you must help me in this situation. My own is finished. What will people talk about me? When will people talk about me? I beg, help me. Hey, this trouble, he big past me, oh. He big past me. What should I do?
That's where they take mud. They take 2 bottles of mud.
Why not go take 2 bottles?
Shut up.
Not be 2, don't they take? This one don't they take the 3rd bottle.
No, they complain.
This one no good though.
No, they complain. I don't call them.
Jennifer!
Now wow.
Tell her make you carry meat, join body.
Jennifer! Be fast now,
Make you carry meat, join body.
No, the madam they do the shave now.
Okay. Let's not come here now.
Now wow. Kai. See, don't they come?
Yeah, come, really. Let me help you. You don't too serve us. No give and straw. You know the woman. We open her.
Okay. Bring it.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Do you like to take anything?
No. Okay.
I want to take you out from this place.
But tell her for the meat now.
The meat you go bring up.
Should I bring meat?
You bring the meat. Come.
Okay, 3 plates.
No, this year your madam goes over. I don't tell your madam.
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
Make you know they look again. Make you come on your face from there.
Only this one where my eye did.
You too they look. No, they look again. You be eye of the gods. No, they look. When I don't say God has been really faithful to us in this city. When we come up from village, me and David, we carry Ganamos go back. Why do they carry one big bag for head when he come put
you know the member said that no girls enter bus that time.
Leave out. He carry the bag make it come up from there. He carry the bag come put all his juju stuff inside the bag. Carry come, you get luck, you for sit down on top of your bag. Your bag go come carry you come Asaba. Look at you. Now come they see the reason why the Bible talks say the path of a righteous shineth brighter and brighter and brighter and brighter unto the perfect day.
Guy, even myself are they happy. You know what it mean to come off for night, still come back. Come off for morning, still come back. You know easy now. Baba God, they try for me, oh. Baba God, in fact, toilet for you, Baba. I die for you, Baba. I die for. In fact, make I wait. Bouncer for you. Bouncer for you. Bouncer for you.
I know you can say now gone now they shoot. don't look carry your poor character comes. The police don't come arrest person here for what they say.
I talk am say e dey for your eye. See your eye. E dey for your eye. E dey for your eye. You come dey shoot gun. Come dey shoot gun. You wan shoot Baba God for heaven. Come dey shoot. Why you come dey shoot gun? Dey give am for. You wan shoot am for. You wan shoot am gun. Make you comot for there abeg.
You know, I am happy. The gods blessed our coming to Ahaba. I am happy. Ever since we entered Asaba, everything is moving well. Very soon I will leave my little shrine to my permanent site.
Which now for forest that you go call. Now forest you go end body shrine.
You get a better deal. International Parade. Who get up for that hand? In fact, I'm not going to open up for this gate. Now today we're first in and they take her for drink. Now I'm going to... In fact, the grace. Right? You know the year now?
The mentor.
Never vex for me.
No, try this bullshit next time.
No problem. No problem. No problem.
You see anything?
I don't see anything. What I see now, I FEC writing for my newspaper.
Better.
Look. I told myself, what did this boy I did do for this orphan since I entered for this house? Look. At least my two brothers, I get up for waiting at the walk. One facing, I get up for church. I have Sajuju, I get up for shrine. This facing, no wonder they quote up for night. So this boy, I've been thinking for get to go. I be him. Where my brother there? I go tell my brothers to make a new nearer for this facing. I have Sajuju, I bet you, so they give up for power. This facing, look, make a look at my kids. Yo, I just feel like you don't get a mind. What's that called? Yo, the mighty, what's that called? Best baby. Yo, mighty, hey,
What is this supposed to be?
Ugalala! Hey, Uga, don't do for anything.
You! Come here.
Uga said?
I said, come here!
Come down from there. Come and see him.
Hey, Ugalala.
Go and meet him. He doesn't mean how.
Ugalala, this one, I don't mean that for her. Meet him. Uga, Felix, now only get him out of me for this village. Uga, they say they're all you. Hey, Uga, Felix. Never kill a man.
Stand up.
Uga?
I said, man, stand up!
Hey, I don't do for anything. Uga, my ear, I don't belong. I don't want to ring for my ear, Uga. Look at home. Hey, Uga, no problem, I will start going here. No problem.
With your two hands on your ears.
No problem, Uga.
Now listen and listen good.
No problem, Uga.
Inform all my tenants, especially those 3 useless boys,
no problem, Uga,
that my house rent have been increased by 50%.
No problem.
And that failure by any tenants to comply will mean automatic good notice. And of course, attached with.
No problem, Uga.
Do you hear me?
I hear me, go.
Did you hear me?
No problem.
You hear him?
Uga, hear me.
You come here.
Eh? Go and
hear you.
Eh?
I said, come here.
Uga, never slap her for me. Uga, Lalo. And then for this place, I won't kill her for me, Uga. Uga, I don't know what.
Just
listen. No problem, Oga. Tell them, say anybody will do anyhow.
I go see anyhow.
He go see anyhow.
No problem.
You understand?
No problem. No problem, Oga, please. I don't know for anything. Thank you. Give him the notice.
Stand here.
Oga, office. I won't go office. I sent you for what, Oga? Good. No problem. Oga, Lalo. Hey, Oga.
Yeah, go pay some. Go pay some for what?
No problem. Oga, I don't get a sedative.
Oh, you don't get sellotape. And then I'll give you sellotape.
Oga, at the press,
you don't get spit?
I get a for spit, my brother.
You don't get spit?
Aloysius! Bring a for spit, Aloysius. I get a for that spit. Bring a.
Yeah, you come here.
Shush!
Come here!
Come back.
You are running.
Aloysius, they kill my brother and they run away. Oga Lalo, I go put up for me. I go put up. These people are dead, this woman. I won't kill her for me. Now my father calls out. Now my father calls this for over the book. Alex is not on board. Oga Lalo. Alex, come back. Oh, what are you doing? Alex. After my head, I play my blues. Make I do as I do. Even they don't give me money, okay. Me I no get into trouble. When we send a video hold. A video hold in the hood. Hey, baby, come over my place, yo. Make we take a reggae, take a. I am the Juju. Fellas. No fix. I got a message. You want? Fellas, make I close my gate. I am the Juju. Welcome. I no bring a foul today. My face I dey provoke. I no bring a foul.
Now be the message.
No problem. Landlord, I give am for message. Say make I give me. Oga landlord, I say make I tell everybody. For this fellas, say house I don't put am money. And anybody want to fly, I go face her for army, I go face her for court order, and finally, they will give me automatic quick notice. Everybody, I go pack them up for this place. Now my message.
Now your message, Abi.
You are.
Now your message. You are. Wait till be now your name again.
Now maybe Mado International, the chief security officer, told for me.
I am not sure that your name is Mado. Your name is Ewu, chief security officer of this gate. Ewu. Okay, be that's what you are.
I go only take them from you, Sha. If another person tell me I don't got somebody, but I pay my chest.
Eh? Now maybe the only tenant where did this compound. Eh? Ewu. Now maybe the only tenant where did this compound.
I have the Juju, make I never vex.
Mind yourself.
Never vex. I know say now only me I don't get my experience for this thing. You know say that time where that soldier come, they do and take it, they do and take it, then give her for slap for my ear. Wait, I want to ask a question. Never come. That time that man I slapped me, the thing I ring for my ear.
Shut up and mind your business, you idiot. You're a fool.
No problem. Thank you. I fool. Right for time. My father fool, my mama fool. Everybody for my house. Fool. No half. Everybody now fool. Only time my brother where they do somehow I be half for my house. Everybody now fool. For my fellas.
Mind yourself.
No problem.
Mind yourself.
No problem.
And mind this gate.
No problem.
Are you hearing me?
No problem.
You get some customers. Why they spend one woman, he will bring goat.
I could bring a whole goat?
He will bring fowl.
I have the Juju.
25 tubers of yam.
I trust me.
If you ever try talk to me like this next time.
No problem. I have the Juju. I don't show up for my chest fool. When I see her for soldier, they do KT. When I give her for one slap as for my ear, my character I change. I can't they shake her for chest for me. Because I did for this gate for no problem. Any guy will touch me for this finesse, I call her my army friend. I will show me say me, I get her for plenty army for this. Yo!
Are you talking to me?
I the fresh off.
Now me you talk to.
I the practice for no fake. Fresh off.
You do fresh off.
Fresh off.
Continue
Fresh off.
Freshen up.
Fresh off.
The fresh up.
2,
the fresh up.
3,
the fresh
4,
up. Continue.
5, 6. Yo!
I don't come out. First thing I dem I get, madam, I dey do Olympic exercise. I dey rehearse with Aya they do. Yo, better person, better people. I want to show myself for this place, no problem. Why are they keep me quiet now? Because of those flinty foul. Why they bring up for me? Now only me, they remember me for this conference. No problem. Let us see. Hey, baby, come over my fellas. So, look what that's. Papa Willie, how are you? I don't know for what. I bet if I don't come, I make a buy a bottle for me. Yeah? Why are you to go like 2 or 3? No problem, no problem. God bless me. Whatever. These kind of people are the time for this company. Yeah? This
hey, open this gate!
Who I be?
Open this gate now!
Who I be? Why would I not
open this gate, my friend! Open this gate, my friend! Open this gate!
Prophet!
Don't they provoke me, oh! No, let me first, oh! No, let me first! Come on,
come back, I get up a message. Are they holler for me?
Why you going to hold me like that?
Why no go hold me? If all those my nyarinya, why they hold me? They fast my hand. My hand. This is my hand. See what thing I hold for hand. This my hand is very blessed.
Hey, see, I don't get your time this morning, no.
Prophet come, I get a message. I never talk finish. I dey promote. Now me provoke me. I check on my problem.
Which message you get for me?
The message I get, we say. You know, I go and tell her for that my friend where I say I get her for plenty chest. Where I say I be eye of the gospel. I say I won't tell her for me. I they do because when I say that my ear, I don't want to hear her for something. You know, say that one before I been the do for KT, they do and KT. When I give her one slap tazai for my ear, my character I change.
Hey, Mr. Man. Hey, can you go straight to the point? Because I get prayer this morning when I won't go attend to.
I get a prayer, no problem. You see, man of God, I be done the fellas say I won't come join her for that my church.
Madu, can you be serious for once?
I don't look me because I don't get money for.
Oh, Madu!
I get a plenty money. That money I don't dey keep am. Since my take I go bring my nyanya from Sokoto, I want to take the money so I for seed for my church. I go like plenty money.
Is that the message you want to give me?
The message where I want to give am for me, you say, landlord, I come here. I say make I pass this message, give everybody. Say house, I don't put her money. Everything don't put her money. House too, I don't put her money. And anybody where I don't go fly. Anybody where I don't go fly for waiting landlord I talk, na port order. In fact, make I open gate for somebody. Okay. So I for you. I dey fine. I bet if I dey come I buy her for something. No problem. Yo. House I don't add her for money. And anybody where you know go fly. I go home and you know army message. I'm in a direct for my ear tazai. My character go change. What order I dey follow? And if court as court they bring her for order, the next thing they go fuck me, bundle me out of this place. That is my message.
Madu, you don't do. I don't hear.
No problem.
Hey, you don't talk with you one talk. I don't hear. Hey, make you stay for this gate. They watch the gate. No, come there wait. Make her they knock like that again. No, before you go call off the gate.
No problem.
Because if I dey first, I dey know.
I know.
No, they provoke me.
Mano. See as I did. Every time I talk, no provoke. See my trouser. I say I be prophet for this house. Every time from Senate to prophet. No problem. I go there for this place where I go give a human belly. The other one I dey fast for you. I dey carry for Bible. The other person I dey bring her for food plus every day. I go there for you where I go give a human belly. I go run for this one fan. Now me I don't know for this place. Mad faithful. When I go see me in action.
Oh, let me, she don't come here, Mama. Hey, those people don't come here. Those people don't come here. So, newspaper. Hey, why? Comedian. It's not comedian again. It's now a footballer. Hey, Mama, APC don't make people. They know this where they do. They know they don't make it. Change. I don't know if I blow now. What they are going to do? I'm going to fly. Yes, I'm going to fly the clamor. Would they knock my gate? You want to play camp? What did they want you? You can make me now. You fly well, I will fly. I don't go fly. Hey, I took her. You know, come back.
What do you mean
the minute say person go to knock for gate, no open gate. You know they hear am? I be the imbe affect your ear.
Hey, you calling me imbe? You calling me imbe? My brother, come. Wait first. I want to tell you something. See, look, I tell you. The GM say, look, I tell you. Make you tell other people, say landlord, don't put money for house rent. So I don't deliver the message as you take sent me. Now go, I can go.
Come. If you try this thing next time, what you do?
Hey, chill. Okay, come. You don't get respect. My chief takes the title. Now you come over for my head. Okay, see, make I tell you, you don't reach people who bring them for this house. See, make I tell you, I know those things as eyes of the God. I tell you, as prophet of the two, but you, I don't know what you do. I don't know whether you be hunter or anytime where you come out for night. I don't know what to see. Take your time now. I go. Don't fish. Big two. Don't try this thing next time. You don't know what to do.
This in bell. Anyway, Sha, the list of my problems now. Try this thing next time.
Hey, where you say you don't want to go now? Can't they wait for them now? Eh?
They saying they come now. You want to do something for shrine now? No wait them.
Wow. This is right. When you enter, you know they feel they come out.
Oh, nah, today person not so bad. This one won't sit down like children where their mama leave for their papa run come out. Their papa come for shoe woman come out.
Now you would wait now, sit down, make person go sleep. No, do this meeting.
What I get for shrine today too much.
Hey, me I know they like this thing though. Me I know they like Amo. This landlord he get mind though. He get mind say as he go increase the house rent without consultation. He no even call for house meeting to hear what we get to talk. Now he call increase the house rent just like that. Me, I know they like him. I know they like him.
You say landlord again?
Nah, not be landlord.
Increase the house rent.
Hey, you know that when he waka come here say he don't increase am. Even the signboard wetin he pays for there say he don't increase am.
Mo give am money now before he go come carry soldier come here again. Mo just give am the money. We know they see the money. They see am. We just give am. Even if you increase am 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, even before this year go, we go give am. He up no. Senior, makandame.
Those I no can understand you. Na fear they fear so. No be you be the winch doctor eye of the gods again. Wait make it not be say you will carry whole body for this town. Say you want just focus on freels. No be fear they fear be.
My brother. Dibia Woroza, Mazo Budibia. I want ask you one question.
I dey hear you.
David, you there when this man come?
Yeah, I know the house.
You know the house. Okay. Make I tell you as he take up.
Busa! Slap where soldier give me. Digby! Now I forget all the incantation. And yesterday they asked me whether he ring. I say ring. He say I be make a redire. I say no redire. I don't get them already. If he ask me whether they slap, WhatsApp slap say you know. I start tell I say you don't come. If now you they slap you to a woman and chaka here. E carry chariot. Slap where you give me and forget everything what they do for shrine. All my incantation run enter my leg. I match am ground. Let him make me give the money, so still give the soldier money, make him go drink.
When your gods come enter, if let's say they go on the day.
No, oh boy, see what happened that day. You know, so I don't if I walk. I say make I just drop rest. But I can't see person when like after I boy, where the money? If not so I for finish that man.
They tell say those gods don't get sense.
Make it wait. I don't see the reason why you dey put us. Make we give landlord money. Make we give landlord money. Now they say you don't want. When they give you, hey, that's slap. When they give you, make you leave me. Now the slap. Now they fear you. Oh, you don't want something worse than that.
You see my home. Say anything where they uniform, I dey try avoid that. Civil defense, so police, army. If I see you, I don't run.
You never talk the one way they fear. Now SARS. That time when landlord enter here talk about SARS, now so your mind fly.
Oh boy, landlord.
I no get time for you. No go get your own money, me will greet landlord. The next slap now for your face. Hey, for God.
Those girls. I
won't go back. I don't want that.
I need road. I beg make you come. Make you come. I've listened this. It's an ever right this second time.
Me, finally, I thank God say these people don't meet you.
I beg. Don't they make you come? I've listened to an ever right this second time. Mami mi á pè mí o. Mami mi. Hello. Mami mi. Mami mi. Káàsán o. Mami mi. Ọmọ yín ni ó wà okay o. Your son is doing very very okay. Okay. I hope everything is okay. Kíni? Uncle mi. Why would he do such a thing? Am I worried? When are you coming over to the city? Okay. Don't worry. Just take good care of yourself. My handler. Don't worry. Don't give yourself headache. Just take good care of yourself. Okay. Bye, ma. Mami, take it easy. Hey, uncle me. I go command fire from heaven. Fire from heaven will consume that man. That man is trying you. Why would he be doing such a thing? Wait. Now because this man think say because I grew up for Ijebode, now he can't make and they deny me of my father, of my right. Make I tell her say I be Omo Igbo. Igbo dey run for my blood. Make he forget say I grew up for Ijebode. And if he try me, he don't forget say Anthony of yesterday don't turn Reverend Prophet Evangelist Pastor Anthony. Make he not try me because if he try me, I go send fire from heaven. Fire from heaven go come consume am. Make you know they try me. I get hot temper and I make me dey drink pure water every time. Make I dey calm myself down. Make he try me. Make it tell me when we see me with am. Who go fit finish each other for this house? I dey vex.
Hey, Flavor. Now I piece you do you this one. You know they sick again. Now probably they play now. Hey. APC don't go play for my brother. You don't play for. You know they sick missy.
Hey, Aloysius. What? My mother will be coming any moment from now. In case I'm not around when she comes, make you help me carry her go show her my own side. Shogbo, is that clear?
Is that okay? Me? Is that clear? As what? Your messenger? Your Ketima. See, look, let me tell you. Make everybody respect themselves for this compound. I go break person head though. I go knock you.
Hey, baby, you did.
I go knock you. I don't talk my own finish.
Sorry, don't do. I know say you now Okogan. Yes. Every time you want to fight, nothing you don't carry. You want to knock somebody. See, make you no first. No first. I beg, make you help me run and I beg you. Make you help me run her. If she come, make you carry her go keep her for my side. I beg, no first. So run her for me. No dey spit again.
No problem. Now beg you, they beg. Because make I tell you, I know the reason why they talk this thing. I'm not your getting man, no. I'm the acting getting man.
No first. Make you help me.
Level.
Make you help me run her. No first.
But make I tell you, if people in this compound don't respect themselves, I go lose one person as a scapegoat. I go collect that person fuck up. You hear me? I go knock you.
You don't do now.
I go knock you.
I know sure, sir. Now this thing, now this thing I know they like for where you do. You like trouble past 5.
Yes.
Eh, don't worry, I don't hear. I go do it for you. No problem. Just run now. Run now.
Okay, no problem. I go down for you, but today inside you. But today inside, you go give me 1 bottle of try 1 bottle of Hilo.
Noted.
1 bottle of Hilo.
Noted.
You can kill me.
I don't know that. But make you still remember say that the Bible say give drink to those that want to perish.
Yes, it is written in the Bible. Give me the drink, make I clean.
Oh, you want to
Hilo.
perish?
Yes, 1 bottle of Hilo.
Go see wahala, no problem. I go give you. Make you no forget oh. If she comes, make you carry her come upstairs for me.
No problem. Let me check you over. Life is all about money. Let me check you over.
Hustlers. We are the hustlers.
Pero, I would like to know that small brat. We get animal gut and liver. Come they run things for my hood. That Nicon Paul. I do not tell and say that we they dominate the hood and run things for this hood. And he never pay insurance permit to the run things here. Una the crazy when I come here, come they tell me stories.
See, Baba K, the one with the vex me be say, this guy just carry enter our street, enter our hood. Come begin the run things without even taking insurance cover, Baba K. Even I didn't hear say they enter street, they go thief one of these small things, even all these fools them. If they cast our business about K now, that's how they know why they too much. I don't fight with that guy now. I'm not Solam. Hi.
Okay. This is the right time to enter the street to look for that stupid, useless Nicon Paul boy and tell him say now we they run things for this hood. Or else, if I grab him, I go squeeze him. Pero, this one why they talk you keep quiet. What thing that happen now?
Baba K, that small boy now, please. Me and virus don't track him for this town, Baba. Even in blueprint, we need to see. Rest assured, Baba. You go get him.
With the crest?
Baba, you no reach like that. Baba, you
I ain't gonna tell me say small boy no hood pass you.
Baba.
No you get the hood.
Baba, relax. Baba,
gonna tell me some small boy they run things pass you.
Baba K,
the crest.
Baba K, relax.
Make I not shoot you.
Baba, relax.
Baba belle.
Relax.
Baba belle. I mean be fine boy now. Baba call log 5 for you go put it now. Don't worry, that boy go put it. He go believe. When he receive it from me, he go believe.
Fine boy, we go get him now.
He go believe by force. Baba, more they teach it from here now. What do they do? Make me fed out.
Hustlers. We are the hustlers. We are the hustlers.
Toilet! He smoked toilet!
Come on, go down.
Come on, he smoked toilet! He smoked toilet! Come on, I don't know. Lie down! Five things from you. He smoked toilet! They found Baby Kabi. I'm gonna kill you!
Hey! Man! Oh! The class! Give me the gun. Get out of here! Come! I can't give you all that. Now make I waste this guy. Now make I waste this one. Now give me all that. Make I waste him now. Torture this guy for me.
This guy neck now. Come on.
Baba, I can't make her waste this ball.
He can't go to the road. This is my hood.
You go work for me. You rich? Who be you? Small time thief like you go away. You tell me say you want to work for me. You go work for me. You rich?
Get your guns down! Get your guns down! Let's go!
Drop your gun!
Get your guns down!
Drop your gun! Drop your gun! Drop
the gun down!
Drop your gun!
Bring this gun down!
Drop your gun!
Bring this gun down!
Drop it! Drop your gun!
You think that doesn't want that, so? Bring this small boy! You!
Drop it! Drop the gun!
Papa Ken, they let this small boy, they carry come out. Papa Ken, no! This small toilet! This small toilet! This small toilet!
Hey, who be that? Who they knock for my gate?
Mama, oh, good morning. I dey look for my son Anthony. Ọmọ mi Anthony.
Mama, come. Let me go and show you his flag. But point of collection, no. Point of collection. His name is not Anthony. His name is Prophet Evangelist Anthony. No, his name of.
Rárá o. Now if you say no be here they go. My son name na just Anthony. No reference.
Come, make
okay.
Mama,
No be
come.
here I go.
Mama, come. He don't tell me say you dey come. You tell me say you dey come.
I hope I'm in the right place. We need to
ask me this question now. Who I go ask? Leave me, Jackie, no.
Mami.
How can you?
Now here you dey.
Tell me.
You enjoy yourself. Oh.
I dey enjoy myself.
I don't take you inside room, sir. I don't see yourself. Make I come sitting room, come see if you go
I
dey inside.
I read my Bible small before I go sleep. You don't tire today. How work today?
I work dey fine, no.
How everything?
Very fine, no.
All your friends will come. Share all of them. They okay.
All of we dey well, oh. We dey try our best, oh. We thank God. Say, no wahala at all. Wahala, a lot of them, their sense is correct.
This one. Say nobody dey here. That one when they put that something for juju for head, say you no get problem with that.
You mean Doze? Mami. Doze no get wahala, oh. You no get problem. As you don't see am, na so e be. You know, say for village, all of us don't be friends for village, they come. We go quarrel, we go settle. Now so, now even the sweetness of friendship. But if na wahala, Doze no get wahala. Doze na better friend.
My son, God will bless you.
Mima.
Will bless all of you.
Amen.
No go die young.
We will.
Ní kúléwé lágbára in Jesus' name.
Àmín, àmín ní orúkọ Jésù.
My son. Tony. My people talk say if you see tough for afternoon, if you know they pursue something they pursue am for back. The reason wey carry me come meet you for here na just to come to inform you say the only land wey we get that your uncle the one wey follow your papa gangan the one wey follow your father don conclude plan to sell that land. The only land your papa leave for us to sell am for all this oil company wey just come our place. Wey just come.
When I heard that one on phone, I can't dey laugh them. But mami, make you no try that rubbish so. Make you no try that rubbish when you want try for that land. And you know say violence is permitted in the Bible. Starting from the days of John the Baptist till now. The kingdom of God suffered violence, and the violent ones they go take am by force. So if he try rubbish for that land, I go beat am black and white. And if I beat am black and white finish, I go use police come arrest am. Make you no try me, oh.
My son. Tony, my son. Even the Bible talks say we should pursue peace with all men. But all the time no be for peace. This time is not the peace time at all. Your father people, my husband people, because I be Yoruba, and you grow up from my place, and they treat us as strangers in the land. And so they want to take treat us every now and then. So anything when you want to do for this one, me I dey your back.
Mommy, because say you be Yoruba woman and me grow up for Yoruba land Ijebode, no go give them the guts to the misbehave. You know, go give them the guts to the misbehave. Is it Igbo language or my Papa language that I cannot speak? Thank God say you tell me on time. As I dey city, I go from city, I go do something about them. Make you know they try me. Make that stupid man know they try me. I go beat that black and white too. I go beat that. Mommy, make I tell you, if you reach village, help me tell her say make it come out in hand from that land though. If you not come out in hand from that land, it's either he kill me or I kill her.
You don't go die. Now you go take your head carry her.
Yeah, don't talk about it. I don't talk my own. If I dey first, I dey know. If I dey first, I dey know. I get hot temper. Now make me dey drink pure water and cold water every time. Make it for the break my temper. Make it you do that one.
Okoto Okare, as in, you ain't attack Tabu Jonjo. And attack Jonjo.
The boss, he says to enter that bank. All those men went to say they wear black. Then they shift one side. No time they talk. He smoke toilet.
Great Okporo.
Great
Okporo. Great Okporo.
Overbam, they worry you. You overrocket. No be child. My loyalty for you no fit dance kele o.
Yes. Okporo, I want to use this opportunity to appreciate you all for a successful operation.
Bamba there.
We have been working and doing all sorts of parole all this while. And you beg Ife until David here join us. The
one. You are very good. You are recognized. Don't be child.
We did the first operation after he joined us. It was successful.
Make a hear.
The second operation was successful.
There's smoke
only this last operation that we hit millions. Get them! Their mama!
Father, mother, left.
Their father!
There's smoke toilets!
They won't try us. That is why I said, let me appreciate you people today.
Yeah, you good. Collect
drink whatever you want to drink. I don't give a damn. There is money.
You bomb, no be choice.
There is what?
There is money.
Finally, Baba.
Where that bomb myself?
Baba, I still want to thank all of you now.
Fine boy.
So now just accept me for the way that's
fine boy, if I'm Vika. That's what they ask me. Look like her.
There's smoke toilets.
Three bossa for Baba K.
Bossa. Where the bomber now? Bomber, come here. Bomber, come on.
Mommy, when you reach that junction, you go see keke wey go carry you go park. When the keke you don't carry you reach park, you go come enter bus from park.
That park to village direct, Abi. I don't hear you.
Mommy, don't forget to warn uncle. Don't forget to warn him about wetin I tell you before. Because that rubbish he won't try. That rubbish he say he won't try. If you try that rubbish with me, he will have me to contend with you at the first. At the first.
I don't hear you, my son. You know, say for your place, your papa place, women and their children know they don't get value if their husband don't die. Bí a ṣe ń sọ pàṣáyà, lọ́mọ náà mọ gbégi wàhálà rò. Ó ti sú mi. Our government, this tradition and culture, our government is supposed to don't abolish and stop this kind of thing.
Benima. Government has to do something. There are a lot of barbaric cultures that subject women, even widows and their children, to harsh treatment. Even sometimes, they even deny them of their inheritance when their husband is don't die. That thing is very, very bad though. Me, I don't like him.
The reason when we no go allow your uncle sell our land, then you just talk so. We no go allow him sell the land though.
Not be when I see that life, I no go allow him. Mommy, may you no worry. I go still next week. I go still send another money enter into your account next week. Make you take and they manage life there. I bet you know say only you I can't get for now. Mommy, take this one. Make you they manage waiting the inside small. Mommy, ma. Okay, ma. Make I help you open the gate so that make me a show. Ma. Okay, ma. Make you take a miss you. Make you no enter Agbero moto. And for just that junction you go see taxi. We go carry you go back. Okay, ma. Ma. No, ma. Follow that make you go that junction there that side. Okay, ma. Ma. God bless you. All right, ma. Mommy. Wow. Boy. See me see wahala. As my Malay come. She come tell me say, that my uncle waiting for Phyllis. Say he won't market our family land. The land where my forefather live for my great grandfather. My great grandfather can't live for my grandfather. My grandfather can't live for my father. As my father can't die, he can't live for me. And I the land he say he won't collect the land from me. Me I don't go agree.
Ta in the grace, in the matter. Which kind of rubbish be that one now? The land where they live for and they won't Colombia. So now, if you can't make money for this city now, where you go come build house for village? If they do anyhow, come reason me go finish it, they crazy. They mad. If they do anyhow, they go see anyhow, man. If they do anyhow, you can't reason me. I go carry my gang, flaunt there. Finish all that. Boom, yakata for that. Boom, they mad. Nah. But don't make me vex so. Don't be so.
Let's joke. Now so. So you even get gangs. Now you see don't they do arm robber. Now arm robber you be now be. Wait till your papa leave, dying inside. Now you still they do. You for tell me since now make I 45 you man. Carry your gang come my shrine. Come you na zumba ana ko gwe mkporo na akono na wuna. Mbom you na zumpo to mmiri na ha na na. Make una business they go very well. When you kill no obreg go bawasi and money.
But forget that thing. You don't feel do anything. You feel do make person they disappear, they appear.
Okay, Peka.
Be near line.
Go Peka.
So I go feel appear for Abuja na.
Ozubo ifepo. See nge make
abeg. Me I no want partake for that if it is custom. Make we come house. Make we discuss wetin concern us. Make we no first. Make we no dey talk on that side. They go for that side.
But the thing be say, here no suppose hear am say your papa brothers wan call you.
Wetin we come dey talk.
Come, if God. Wetin you wan make I do your uncle? You wan make I give am EB? Make am blind. Give am deaf and dumb. Come me, EB, size 96. Tell me, I can give it to him at any time. Or do you want him to go on him and cabin? It's your cock one minute, I took your eye, I do to you, and not you. Something like that.
Hey. So this man, you don't want to take my calls, Abi? You don't want to take my calls? I'll keep trying because I need to pour out my bitter anger before I go deal with you. Uncle. Listen very good though. kekwe muti no ka mokwa ihe chọrọ igwa gị now akifuru na nwa nwa to na village ahụ to na village ahụ ị ga-amụ na mbụ nwa afọ Igbo ị ga-amụ na amụrụ m mmiri Igbo nuze ya nuze ya achọrọ m ichi gị ezigbo nwanị ka nchie gị warning kara aka now wait calm down you be God punish your mama. See, I don't hear about the conspiracy of how you and other people are trying to sell off the land wey belong to me and my mother without telling us. Thunder wabugeba. Mwagemo tika mwage now. Yeah, ki weri ire ki gweze gị ọnụ na nwa anwa atọ n'obodo a. Nwa anwa atọ n'obodo. No go there go punish you. Chineke ga-atọ gị ka anụ tere na village ahụ. Ịgbagide ọsọ ịmara na Biafra abịachite gị ọzọ. Ịgbagide ọsọ thunder go fire you. I say make I just warn you, stay clear, stay off that land. Because if I enter that town, if I enter that village no go contain you and me. You know say God's anger is only for a moment, but my own go last forever. And I just want to warn you, let me give you warning of your life. Because jikwire gị gwete gị ọnụ yikwa asa n'anya o yikwa nna pekakwa o nna pekakwa o I don't want you thunder fire you. Look at this man though. You want use me play because say you hear say for the scripture that God's anger is only for a moment. You think say my own is only for a moment. Thunder fire you. My own lasts forever. You know say my head they touch. If my head touch like this you know if it can be done o. I don't dey talk am. Because when I go start, I go finish everybody.
Chineke, Mama, Nana is no longer from Kalapana. Nana is from Anampala. Yes, it's Anampala people that assess Anyang. Nana Anyang. It's a people now. And now, Mama, let me check you low. Because you make all. Love you for the money. You no program. My album. No program. You know. Help! One day shall never end. I said it. You. See your life here, reading newspaper with eyeglass. But this time, look at what says this time. Look at your life. We are trying to see if your life will have some 1,000, but the more you look, the less you see. It concerns you. It's getting worse day by day. Because come. What are you seeing what is inside here? See, Nana is not from Calabar again, no. That is why I say you not survive. Nana is from Anambra State. Sure. You see? That's why I say we are good to use for sacrifice. See your life. Mama. See how we are here wasting them. If I knock you, I don't blame that idiot. He's one that ever since he left, he made you the acting get mad. And leave me that are very, very responsible. If not that this guy is deceiving me. I'm only responsible for the handsome guy here. Once I make you, look at you, illiterate, Kakantuan illiterate, I make you the acting get mad. I don't have your time. By the time I have your time, I will deal with you. Let me go and sleep. It concerns you. Yeah, I'm telling you, it concerns you. It's not your business now. All right. Okay. Look at you. You were in the catch. You had a link Paladol for somebody. We get headache. See, let me tell you. You can't look so you come back on time. Makachinede. If you come back by this time again, now you go do the watchman together. You do hear? Yes. But the difference is that me will be outside. Me, I will do my own inside. If this small place where they work, you go carry you go to money lishwa. And you don't go produce the we'll set up your last month. Shut that gutter, it's good. You see? I've told you and I have warned you vehemently that if you don't take time in this compound, before you come back, I will donate it to Dozier's shrine. Just to improve his shrine, you will see it, as least you, freely. Opportunities, I'm warning you. But you here. I could knock you. Don't try anything stupid. I'm not in the mood. Just thank the God that I saw Reverend Father before coming home. Hey!
I would have dated with you now. And you see the bad side of me. Idiot. But hope that soon or sooner or later, look at this, your condition. It shall be permanent. I'll see it in your life.
You know, guess what?
Because you have to know one gun.
You know, guess what? No?
I don't get work.
No, me. I guess work.
All right.
Thomas, you know, guess what?
If I don't have, I'll buy it
I
in the
let
market.
you guess what, go. You know, guess what?
Hello. Mommy. I'm very, very fine. No? Okay. City. City, they're very fine. Don't worry. You will soon see me. You will soon see me in the village. But mommy, see, I'm very, very happy that he didn't say that land again. No? Okay. It's all right. It's all right. Hey, mommy. Don't worry. Don't worry. I go send you some money for your feeding allowance next week. I go send an entire account. You know, say the Bible talks, say honor your father and your mother, so that our days will be long and prosperous. And that is what I'm observing, man. Thank you, mommy. Ma worry. You will soon see me. You will see me in the village very, very soon. Okay, ma. Just take care of yourself, oh. Okay. Venima. City, okay, oh. Venima. Okay, ma. Okay. Just take care of yourself, oh. Ma worry. I'ma send there.
These people don't make me remember something. You said these people take carry this gun. Now so for carry gun reach your village, go fire your uncle. That useless man. What your mama can tell you about the matter?
My mother say he suddenly forgot about it too. Even when all the buyers came with the exact money that he requested for, he did not collect it.
He did not collect the money? No. Kingam did. Ikengam na arụ aja ọrụ. Upia ni kukusbos buolia onapwala. The gods I worship. I have come to ask for a favor because I know I have never asked for favor and you refuse to answer me. I don't have brother, I don't have sister. The only friend I have is Anthony and Dave. Now Anthony's heart is very heavy. Just because of the piece of the land his father left for him. Now the uncle wants to take it. And the poor mother cannot do anything. I don't want my brother to go to the village to start with a fight for land with his elders. I just want to send you a message because I know you will answer me. I have no other thing to offer. I have this. I want the uncle's mind, brain, everything of the uncle should leave the land alone. And when Antonio will decide what to do with his father's inheritance. I have the offer. I have the one. I know you will listen to me. Yeah. Kanya gisi akoko kun urien but isi ki ina eri nisi ina eri na etite eri na ado He who tore the garment of honor wears the crown of disgrace. A man can never run away from his Brutus, even if Brutus is behind him. Anthony, there will be peace in your land. There will be peace in your family. Your uncle cannot take this land away.
Ikengam. How? Waiting work. Come. Did you do anything about it?
If not for my Ikenga, your uncle for don't sell that land, back. If you not remember you, if you not come close to him, talk of anything. My Ikenga walked.
Hey! See, now that sounds still right though. But wait.
Use it for piano cuckoo.
But wait. Wait. Did I ask you to use a diabolical means in my favor?
Wait. Is that appreciation that you should say thank you to me for making it so possible? When I no go on a meeting, when I no do any, when I no go even in council, go they talk of land. From here, city, Pia, to the village, the one I did go open. Is that the way to say thank you?
Forget that, my friend. See, make I tell you, the Bible says that vengeance is of the Lord. So you hear, vengeance is of the Lord. And added to it, I did not pray about it. If not, my God is a fast miracle worker, past that your evil gods that you serve, and you know it.
I know, sir, they serve evil God. I serve evil God. Now evil God I serve. We know so your God they walk past. But I dey make my money. I am making my money. Besides, forget the jealous way you did. Say my God, don't go do and come back. Your money now 300k. Shishi, penny, afro, tro. Keba ribe, ada punya. Ne hapuara. Okay, menem the other go the other way favorite.
Ha! Wait itself. But wait though. Now because of this small problem, now you can't charge me 300k. Now if you say, you know the ship.
I no be cheap person. You go call him small problem because in Sierra bag. Okay, I'm running say na bag no ebe na anyu say. E no ebe bo na e anyu say. E mara na say what problem. You na apala. You call it small problem abi? No give me money. You know say they know they owe the gods. If you ever owe the gods, you get one go I could check it careful.
Forget about that. Forget about that. Forget
even when you can bang wow, and when you can bang go bring bang go in man.
I beg you. Come on, make you with now the read abeg. Tell me your God.
This guy is strong, bro. You know this guy at Desperado. You don't come, wait. Let me come. Yes.
Oh, leave me, Chakilo. Chineke, see people where they for Lagos. Now how did they use the waka? See moto carry leg up. Say, make mad my brother come back. I will show him this thing now. Palala, Chineke, get this song with me. Where I hear? Work. Palalala, work. Palalala, work.
Elisha. My friend, who are they talking to?
Madu, come on. Some people waiting for Lagos. They use head, they waka.
Hey, I know so what. I dey waka with my head, bro.
Yes, now take up.
No problem. I see him. Why people are not going to waka for my head? Why I turn up a book upside down? Yeah? I don't know as I turn up upside down, they take up for leg, they waka.
Upside down? Madu, which one is upside down?
I know as I keep her like this, they go take up for head and they waka for. If I turn her like this, my head, I go there for my head. My leg, I go there for my leg. But you watch.
Madu,
This person, I dey follow with my leg now. I don't see a hole.
Yes.
Yo what?
That's why I say you my blood.
Yo what?
Yeah, he dey drive the compact. He go speak one big clamor. I go catch him.
But this is my this is my security cloth. I fit me, oh. I fit me. But my problem is that this fit I dey fall. I will tell Oga, I go tell her Rebecca I saw for this security clothes give me. But this one I don't say I don't carry my feet. Squat her up.
It's not good though.
Wait. Alicious, I wear a potu cap.
Yes.
Why I go wear a potu cap?
See, you see this cap? My father gave it to me when he did that.
I don't so far.
See, I be chef tasty title. Yes, because I can't work. That's why my papa give me this cap. He gave you. You receive anything? No, because you know can't work.
I know the shampoo.
I'm a chief tasty title.
I don't get her for single shame for my eye. My father, I die for what? Others, I dey keep her for vegetating for. I dey keep her for cow. For Sokoto wife from home. Alaja, if I die, I leave her for cow for my children. Somebody keep her for motor. Somebody keep her for money. My own, na for cap. Oh yeah, take her cap. Take her for my head. Make I don't say the cap. I don't be contrary. My friend, give me my cap. I'm Borufa. In fact, I was my regime as the security officer of this place.
Hey, Shineke, wait, person.
No, don't worry, I don't go back.
Wait, make her tell me how I did do.
I won't open up again. I got a hose. I got a dig.
Why is that person?
I got a hose. Open up forget first in the I feel your gala lodo.
It's like this. Why is that person in my case? You could do like this. I go look.
I will press the folders.
See, nobody.
Nobody, I don't forget.
But if somebody is there, you could do like. Okay, wait to I take come. Make her open gate for you.
Oh yeah, open, make her.
You can look here. Come like this.
Yowa. Attention. Go. Oh yeah, close my gate. Yowa. I guess I will say it. Close up for my gate. My brother, as I go for the job interview where I go. My brother, na most I give up for me make I drive. They go ask her for question. I sabi book. I don't go school now. They bring a motor make I drive a motor. I want you to tell me. Why when they shout? Why they shout?
Now from poverty to poverty.
Why I talk so?
You now. You won't come off from Ketima. Come the good life. Hey. Chineke. Ugly go killing me, oh. Hey.
I know. Now today I see as I no get am for sense. I don't know say as I dey like this. I better say me I be driver that will become Getman. Getman where I go there for this place. So now they knock for my head. Rain I go dey beat and they knock for my head. I don't know say if I dey driver for motor, if I get her for Oga, I get her for better motor. Kai one lighter and like if I dey for inside AC, I go dey follow me. I go dey follow different kind of music. Yeah, I know that song where I dey sing for you resist a phrase zaza kai dan worofa. Oh kwako master hey, naka akwako. I go dey dance down for the river so I go dey down for the river. I never hear that song. Kai dan worofa. Come, but make I ask you. Na me I take and dey get am for.
Yes, ma.
I think say if I dey comot, I go take me comot.
Mad. No, my other blood I will be.
I be my father.
Even though you are not my father, you are my father representative now. You don't be GM again.
So I don't get her for hope.
I get her.
I want to take her for me, they get her for hope. My friend, stand up for my chair. I don't come back. Stand up.
No, I'll go finish my turn. My turn will never finish.
I buy her for me biscuits. They go inside.
My turn will never finish.
No problem. I will come back. Take. Go keep her for inside. When I come back, we'll talk. Stand up for my chair. Stand up.
See, man, forget that you are my elder brother. You didn't hear me. I go there.
I go stand up, fire my head. I fire when knock me go. I go give her for me for stay for my shadow. Like this?
Man,
or like this?
It's not like
which one I want? I go give her for me like this.
See, you know, say, we be brothers.
You are.
Hey, that's why I love you.
No problem.
No problem. I'm gonna knock you.
boy. So now here, you sit down. The word wedding, suit pictures. The view suit pictures. Eh? Oh, but you really won't die on top this girl matter. You love this girl scatter. Look at this. Guy. Anyway, that good one, sir. No be bad thing for
brother David. I can't wait to get married to the love of my life. How you see that girl Charity? She's just different from every other girl. She's so humble, so churchious, so industrious. She's so understanding, and she's educated. Yeah, I hear me. Why you don't even say she dey here? They look me since you allow me to talk rubbish this here. I beg, come on from here. Please, I beg, come back. I beg.
Oh, wahala don't wear pants finally, and iron pants for that matter. Prophet don't use a hand, cast himself by himself. Oh. If na me we talk am now, they go say David and Bobby don't F. But now use a hand now, scatter the wood. If you tell me say he did there, he did. This guy a fool of it. Hi. Come on, don't be laugh at the here, doesn't laugh up and down. Like I go settle my dispute with these people. Supermarket people. When I go here, a Bobby don't shoot.
From upstairs come down here since. Say make you forget everything wey happen. And even wish me luck. But you insist that you will revenge. See, no forget say surely they must gather. And if their gathering is not of the Lord, they will scatter now.
Listen, my gathering is of the Lord. He was watching you when you carried out your third leg and commit all manner of atrocities. Why am I even standing here to meet you? I'll see you on that.
Go down, please go down. No, I don't.
Maya. Where is this? Get your tell. Where is it? Get your. Where is it? Where is it? So he left the gate open so that this jobless idiot will come and kidnap the remaining of me. You think I will not survive? I will live and see the goodness of Lord in me. Where is he? Idiot. Bloody. All the places are just. Oh! No! Wait. Oh! Hey! Hello, John. Hello, born on Sunday. Married on Sunday. Won't be king for me on Sunday. Babe, what's up? I said, what's up? This is your night movement. I would say your uncle is away. Because if I carry class.
I don't have to explain myself to you. Thomas, I've had a very bad day today. I don't need any of your nonsense.
Babe, you don't need to talk. I saw it. I noticed it. Look at this, your nose that looked like empty bottle of snap that was up before, now it is done. What happened? Tell me. If it is one of these three disciples, workers of iniquity that leads us there, that is doing this. Tell me, I will disintegrate them, turn them to non-metabolism. That's the look, let me tell you. As you see me, I'm a very decent boy. I was blessed. I was meant to be the king. They call me prince, but they render me useless and call me Thomas. I begin to thumb. So, you will be my thumb. Baby. Look, let me say, don't mind this idiot that is doing Get Hotel. I was supposed to be the first son, but he double-crossed me and take my right. But, look, let me tell you, as you are, I love you so much. In fact, God called me on phone saying you are my wife. My witness are hosts of angels. They are where? I told you. My love for you is heavenly love.
Over my dead body, will I have anything to do with a drunk like you?
Look, tell me what is this? Look, forget this thing. If it is this thing, I will drop it. If they drop you, drop this thing. I will try it to put up your back, carry you, baby. I swear. Tell me what it takes to prove my love
lie
for
down.
you. Lie down.
Lie down.
Lying down.
Are you deaf? Lie down.
I love it. That's your simple. Lie down.
Lie down.
It's one of. I'm jamming. I love it, but let it not be a punishment, though, because I am high.
Since you waste your life, you've always been lying down all your life. Drunk.
I am good in lying down.
Keep wasting away. Keep lying down.
I thought this day is a way of approving my love for you. Baby, come back here. Where is it? Look at somebody that I tried to pick up the remaining chaff from her. When all these three workers of iniquity have wasted you, put their waste substances into you, turn you to non-metabolism, I say, let me amend you. You don't want to. Back to sand, I don't need you. Go to her. Anyway, I still need you. Where are you?
Sweetheart, this is the picture I snapped you the other day when you were preaching.
Oh, they are so lovely.
Yeah,
so perfect.
it's so beautiful. You like this one, right? This one is better.
I think I prefer this one.
This one?
That one.
Oh, I know you will like this one because your face is so bold.
You know, that day I was preaching and I was connected. The anointing was flowing and it was making sense. See now, can't you see? Yeah, my face was showing. It was showing.
You were connected to God, right?
See that?
Yes, darling.
How will you feel on the altar when the man of God joining us together in a holy matrimony? How will you feel when he asks the question? He say, if you know you are here and you have a reason why these two couple will not be joined together as husband and wife, signify by raising up your hand, and after then, and there was a hand up, what will you do?
Oh, this question carry belle. Even get weight safe. But anyways, I think I am going to buy a very big gun, AK-47, and the gun is going to be with my chief bridesmaid. You know, she's following me bumper to bumper. She will be with the gun. I will not hesitate to kill that person that wants to destroy my marriage after I must have killed you. And besides, why that question?
Don't worry, never mind. Till then, when we get to the bridge, we will cross the bridge. Don't worry.
Bridge ko. Hey, I pray, pastor, evangelist, prophet.
Sorry, Tina, you sabi.
I pray that such will not be your portion on that day.
It can never be my portion.
Oh, let it not be your portion.
It can never be my portion.
Let it not be. Let it not be. If not, you will see the other side of me.
Madu, where's this sacrificial lamb now? Where is he? Let him come now. Let's do this meeting.
So I the water for my head, bro.
I never know say face where I require some. This person is senior me.
Who be senior? Now by force to senior person.
My friend, shut off my mouth.
Very important. Where's this sacrificial lamb? Call American.
Why I go sis? I know that's how they waiting for me. I can't work me for sleep while I sleep up. Especially when I head go. When facing us also the slave.
Chinakeme. Momo. I go peace na. I no go peace for the night again. I go peace. I go peace my peace.
It's okay.
And it's my right to peace.
You know, your peace finished.
And I will peace it.
It's not necessary. It's not necessary.
I could knock you.
My friend,
Go try am.
talk about what I want to make a come for this place. I won't go sleep.
Anyway. I don't feel that I'm again. I don't feel take am again. No. See, come on to chop for this house. They had. Money no even day for me to buy my small liquor.
Now Tanja, I go fire am for my head.
Now,
I be my father.
okay. See this Jerry just come of yesterday. See, they just come, package themselves. Now they don't make the change. Come they enjoy. Look at Apostle Anthony. Don't make change. Come they use that. They gather my babe. They chop her toy. They enjoy the fruit of my labor. Oh, they enjoy everything. Come they give us more money. We come they swallow her head. She don't come get single respect for me. I be my own annoyance.
I don't see her say me I no get her for sense go. I just see her for myself. I dey call her fake choy. I will say fake choy. You see that small faking. If I give her hobele for this house, any day I put her hobele for this place, I say for this my small security house go. I no go bring her for this house. I dey call and change. I get her for change.
Yeah, oh, now the thing why they talk now. See, I want to make you hustle, make am for change, so that I can go carry my baby back now.
Oh, what be this? Momo. Okay now. So now because of care, now he make you call us here. Hey, you know work now. Shall I tell you? You lack swag. Madu, I won't go inside go sleep.
Wait. See, why I call this meeting be say I want us to go inside the street and hustle.
I say?
Go hustle now.
Make I go do for waiting.
Go inside the street and hustle like others.
How?
Okay. Look at our Lord shoes. Now follow coming beside.
Chee.
A professional one.
Mama.
Me.
I could knock you.
Wait, now.
I could knock you.
I could never knock.
Okay, now.
I be carpenter.
Me.
Okay.
I be deaf and dumb.
Since when? No. Wait. Me, I don't become deaf and dumb. No. The thing I don't complete for my family. I don't worry.
Wait till they talk. Now forming things. Now me go form man. Look, see I be deaf and dumb. Now this one I be for it. But me I go the form man. See, if I form man like this, I can be like deaf and dumb. I get my friend with the blind for it. I didn't do the big sis. I go come. They should stay. Tell us where they stay. The place where they waka, the hustle. Then you will be say they normal, and you go come the little. You come they follow you. They waka the bed. I tell you before night, from morning till night, you go also. You say money go come. Go make the change.
Well. This my talk I get for sense. I don't see her go. As I know take her for this my thing why they take her for me when they make her start up and down. I say my sense I don't come back home.
No. I know. Now that thing give me experience now to tell on a day.
My friend stay one place. I say I dey good make hungry they catch her for facing. Hungry I hold her for Timaya I come out. I discover her for my talent. Hungry I hold her for faithful. They discover her for my talent. Myself I think I don't say now. Hungry I don't hold her for me. I don't keep her for food for house. Hungry I catch her for me. I discover my silence.
Come on. Make I tell you. Thomas. You know say you be my brother.
Back to sender.
Okay. See no be say I dey follow na go beg. See I been be. Na hustle o. Na hustle. I dey hustle because me I get the big swag for hustling. Make I tell you. You see this thing where you talk here, make I no hear am o. The one. Because if I hear them outside, my catching head, I go not. I don't hear.
Very slow, Phyllis.
I go not.
Hey! I don't sleep and finish. What's the matter with me? I don't say everybody for this coffee, I don't sleep.
Okay.
I think every day, knock. But when I this knock, because if I don't knock for life, I will knock for day.
My friend, stay one Phyllis. I don't know say this person I senior me.
Who senior? This thing, make me senior you back to
I dey shut up from door. Make I give up for snake as a monkey shadow.
They try.
Okay.
But I
try for me, I give up.
Kill you. I just give an idea now how to make money. That's when they plan to kill me to inherit the money.
No problem.
Money never come.
No problem. I buy am for my idea. As I choke her like this, I will take her like that. Oh yeah. Make everybody go sleep. Go sleep.
Go sleep. With this one.
Make I go sleep.
I will sleep here.
I want to go, please.
I go to host. If I like, make I fix up for my trouser. They go sleep.
Thomas, I go knock you. If you call me, I go knock you.
No problems. No problems. I don't go call him again. And the one for me. No, they short for face.
I think here.
Okay. Yeah. Come this side before I go knock for me again. I know no self. I be my senior.
I go knock you.
I couldn't. I didn't knock for my head.
I tell you, say this thing is a sacrificial lamb. Let's use him. You refuse.
My friend.
Thomas.
No problems. They go.
Thomas.
No problems. Oh yeah, that's a for me. No problems. That's a for me. I got a hose. I got a degwe. I got a hose. Oh yeah, they go make the fish. You know, water for my team. They go. No problems.
I don't want you to see.
No problems. No problems.
Okay, no.
No problems. They go.
Let's go, though.
No problems.
Let's go.
No problems.
Sure you know.
No problems.
Let's go.
No problems. They go. This is my gate. I don't tell her for landlord. Make I do her for something. For this gate. I don't take it. I talk and say this gate. I go to get her for somebody for this place. Every time this gate, if I dey put, I go chop her for small food. This gate, I go come make her for the food. I go come out for my body. Landlord bring her money, I don't go bring her money, lock her for, do her for gates. Every time I go to suffer, everything, mado, for this comfort. No problem. This so far, every time, so far. When I go end them.
But,
Come first. Alpha, come. Thomas, I mean, I dey check up for something. I should say that's my brain. I bring and that up. I should say that I no go cause a problem.
Can't happen. There's no harm in begging now. See, you know, force anybody to give us money. Now begging things. You understand? Even if the car has to go police station, there's no harm in begging now. Not only beg, we beg.
But I don't do it before.
I go talk like that now. Even if they call police for us, police don't go catch us. Now begging things now. Who go come catch you for begging?
This is my sense. I go walk. You see why I tell me say make I stop her to the drink? As I stop her to the take her for this guy, I think I see him now. I don't bring her for plenty sense. I know what's going to happen. Tomorrow, we could start out. We go kick her for action tomorrow. As we start out tomorrow, guess Kiani. Plenty money I go begin. I know the government of now. I know be like government of before. We go start up.
No problem. I want small change here. Make I get one apparatus just for the night. I don't drink it now. I don't go drink it now for the night. Just for the
night. My friend, come back here. And they tell her for me make I know they take and this here. Instead of me to take her for that, why they take her? Make I take her for Goro. If I chop and Goro, my eye I go collect.
This is now. Now you they give me sense. When they make me the big far. Don't stop me of my inheritance.
I think after I go talk, I say first in son and they beat her for my head. The first thing I know they get her for sense. This is my calf. Why take? But cover my calf, put her for my head.
No.
Then I get her for sense.
Now back to sender.
I put her back. As I don't stop her to the drink her for this thing, I can't stop her to the stagger. I want they get her plenty sense. They go. I get her beans and bread. Chop her. If I chop her beans, chop her bread, I go sell it. Not chop her for the biscuit or the biscuit and for the other I go the post. They go. My friend, we go inside.
You are go inside. I'm trying to stop me from my name.
I don't know the difference between me and between me when I drink and when I never drink. Every time I go to stagger, I still won't make I go stagger again. Tomorrow make I go back for mistake. First you know go first one thing for this place. Problems everywhere. The other one I never come and drink up my own problem today.
This life is full of history. This life is full of hardship. What you give, exactly what you get. The way you keep your bed, the way you lay on it. For the hustler, you don't live a fake life. Just be strong and look up to God.